11:07 to 11:05, Alana. They're off trackies. Trackies for those of us just joining that couldn't get to watch the race. 10.92. Is the wind legal? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I was so wrong. I have been saying that this was Serena's year from the start of the track season. There is no way anybody could have topped that. 10.9. Did I say 10.92? Congratulations to Alana Reid from Heidel. Wow. Oh my gosh. Trackies, a world, a national junior record. This last year we were looking to see VCB's record drop. It didn't. We thought we had the best of the best. Trackies, did we just see 10.92? We're waiting for the wind, Speedy G, but the way everybody is talking, this wind looks legal. Nobody's saying this wind is not legal. Listen, they need to take Alana over to the testing zone so she can be tested so this time can be ratified by the World Athletics. We're not playing around with her time. They need to listen. I hope that Jadco remembers what they did last year at the Carifta Games and don't form fool. March that girl on over to the testing zone so she can be tested, so her time can be ratified. 1 meter per second positive wind. This time is legal. Let me post it in the comment section. 1.0 meters per second. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is like a boy time in my mind, you know, like an 8th place boy. Heck, I'm going to see if the 8th place boy runs 10.92. Oh my gosh. Trackies. All right. We've been on this live for 2 hours and 26 minutes, and I was so frustrated. And I'm like, why am I even here? Well, this is why we love the sport. This is why we stuck around. And even after Serena Cole was out injured, this is why we stayed and watched. Who expected to see a 10.92 jump in the National Stadium tonight? Who expected to see Alana Reid destroy Veronica Campbell-Brown's champs record, run a new national junior record? Oh my gosh. No, Ryan Williams says nobody can say this was written on the wall. This is a good note to finish the live on. Oh my gosh, we're not waiting around for Nkrume's. We now have to adjust Nkrume's time forward a little bit. We're not waiting for Nkrume's 980. No, man. After this, wait, she's talking. We have to hear this. Guys, if you hear me silent, Alana is giving her post-race interview, and I'm soaking up every second of it. Okay, so trackers, if you missed it, blow by blow coverage of what Alana just said. She always says a word of prayer. She always focuses on herself. Serena not being in the race did not deter her at all. She has a strong support system from her coach, her family, and she named her dad in particular. And it's nice to know that the Jamaican men are standing up and supporting their families. I loved it. I loved everything she had to say. She held her composure. She knew she was capable of it. She's not going to adjust and take the rest of the season in stride. And track is, we just witnessed history at the National Stadium. I can't even right now what happened. I thought that Bouwahjgie Nkrumie's race was going to be the highlight of the championships, but oh my God, 10-9-2. Oh my God. Crazy. Let us see what we have here. Let us see. Let me bring in some of the comments. Track is, I was just going crazy. Yes, a statement has been made, Chev. Nobody saw this written in the wall. I think I said so. Steve Patrick, please. We're talking about the it's the Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Who gives a hoots about Oregon and NCAA? Rayon, Alana did well despite Serena being out. So the question is now answered. Did well, Rayon? Yes, we have to step it up a bit and say superbly. And no, I can't see Serena. I can't see one way or the other that Serena was going to win. In a sense, the writing was sort of on the wall after that canter in the 11-1-6. It kind of told us that wherever that 11-1-6 came from, there was way, way, way more. And then Najee won, done. Alana can run 10-8. Ha! I agree. I've agreed with anything you want to say about Alana tonight. You say she can break the world record, I'm down with it. Ryan said, I need to text somebody over the stadium so they can test her because this is foolery. Yes, they need to go over and ratify her time. She's not going to have an asterisk beside her 10-9-2 for the rest of her life. No, I hope that they took her off to the testing zone and Jadka does their job for once. I mean, with the hefty paychecks that they're receiving. Mai, Malet, yes, May. Yes, congratulations to Alana. Rayan, we may get 2 highlights. I guess so. Dr. Speed is on the track. Yes, track boss. Mr. Ruth Smith, big up Alana Reed. Shane Bruff, did Alana just go faster than Tina? Think about it. 10-9-2. Did you miss that, Shane Borth? 10-9-2. 10-9-2. National junior record. What do you think? Answer the question for me. Rayan Williams. So, Tom, who comes second or third? I have no idea. And at this point in time, everybody else was way run up back, struggling, coming, and no disrespect to the athletes, but it is what it was. And Sharon Simpson is saying, yes, they need to test, yes, so that her time is ratified. And Jordan is saying, come on, Calabar. Okay, trackers, we have to focus on what's happening on the track. They're introducing the athletes. To name a few big ones, Jaden Reed, JC. We have Bouwahjgie Nkrumie, Kingston College, DeAndre Daly, Herbert Morrison. Big up Manchester High, Javon Blair. Of course, you know I'm a Manchester High alum. I will always big up Manchester High. Quiet and unassuming in lane 8, we have Junior Harris. So track is, there you have it. The lineup for the boys. Ray Williams is coming through with 40s. Listen, I wonder if I'm going to have to stand up in my chair again. I don't stand up for nothing, you know. This is like a standing ovation. Bouwahjgie, what are you going to do? Like, I don't know. Let me just see if I have to get up again. Javon Blair, Manchester High, sick looky yak looks. Oh my gosh. Brianna told him not to look left or right, but forward and slow down. Yes, I didn't like how we ran the semifinals, other than the 10-08. Track is there in their blocks, they're off. Bouwahjgie is out in front, far away. Run, Bouwahjgie, run. Press, 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 press. Why are you slowing down and looking around? 997 flash time. Does that stand up? Trackies, standing ovation. Oh my gosh, 999. Oh my gosh. Rounded up to 999. Trackies sub 10. Pandemonium in the National Stadium. Oh my gosh, Bouwahjgie Nkrumie. A new national junior record. Let me see if I can pronounce this properly because they deserve it. Bouwahjgie Nkrumie, Kingston College. Fortis, Kadir, non-protest. Woo! Oh my gosh. And for all those in the comment section who said sub 10, congratulations to your predictions. There were some persons that said 99 and 9.99 and they were right. I said 9.98. I was close. I'm watching the replay trackies. Kudos to DeAndre Daly from Herbert Morris finishing strong, but Bouwahjgie made everybody else look pedestrian. And trackies, I'm not going to pick apart such a superb performance, but in the future, I hope he holds his head straight and doesn't look around no more. Oh my gosh. 2 hours and 35 minutes into this live, I sat up for a reason. Oh my gosh, trackies. I paid my $37 to one spot meter for a reason. I can't see this on repeats. Jordan is asking if you're a KC fan. I am a Bouwahjgie fan. I've been watching this young man from he is 10 years old, racing down in St. Elizabeth. I'm from Manchester, so you know there's proximity there. Oh my gosh. 999.